Guys, welcome back to the channel. I am at a coffee shop currently, but I wanted to jump up here and do an intro for this video. So basically I am thrifting home decor. You guys know I recently did a video of how I let AI redo my African theme living room. So I am just getting that together, and this is like one part of the room. You guys seen, if you want to see how the whole, not the whole setup, because I'm not finished yet, because I have to do a whole lot of things. I have to find a ceiling fan. I want to get another one that's like really African tribe theme, but I have one of the walls that I'm really doing now, so I'm using AI, and I'm also thrifting pieces to go on that wall that are African centric. So I wanted to jump up here and introduce the vlog. So this is me doing my living room over, giving it a African theme vibe, and I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, let's do it. This one's cute. This is like an eclectic piece with the keys in it. That would be cute. What y'all think? Looking at frames, this is a unique frame with beading. It's not giving me African tribes though. Good or bad? This could be like a flower vase for $4.99. Y'all, this picture is so cute. Reach for the stars. I'm on my head for the stars. Reach for the stars. That's cute. Hey AI, I'm trying to complete my African inspired living room. Can you show me how to position these pictures on the wall? And I do want to leave a space where I could do a frame, maybe by 11 by 14 frame, black gold trimming. Can you make that for me? I didn't like this, so I'm gonna tell it to do something else. Still not working. This is a true confession, a life lesson. I will sit here to share with y'all. Now's the time. Just on the show. All right, guys, I am back. I have been running around all day long. It is currently 2 o'clock. Well, 1:59, 2 o'clock. We'll go ahead and say 2 o'clock. Y'all, I'm exhausted. I had a doctor's appointment. I had an OBGYN appointment. Y'all, I just love my doctor because we had literally a conversation, like we was just heart-to-heart conversation. Sometimes you gotta have the right doctor to have a heart-to-heart conversation. So we was in there talking, y'all. Love her to death. And then I went thrifting. But listen, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all some updates on what I got so far with the living room, okay? And I'm gonna need y'all help. So y'all let me know in the comment section. Let me show y'all real quick here. Oh, hold on. Let me show y'all these glasses that I purchased. Is this not cute? I purchased it from Burlington for $7.99. And when I thought about it, I've been into that song called, what is it? Can I Call You Rose? Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet. Can I call you Rose? It's so cute, right? So I'm gonna do like a cute little drink. But let's break down this living room because I need y'all help. Here is the update with the living room, okay? I have to change that. I told y'all I want to get something a little bit more boom, but it has to be a ceiling fan, y'all. It has to be a ceiling fan. So I'm looking for that, searching the web. This is still the same. I know my couch need a deep cleaning, y'all, so don't look at that too hard. Okay, plants are still the same. And then boom. I was asking AI how to do this. They messed me up, y'all. And I just was kind of like in the mood of just doing my own thing. And so I started hanging things, and I like this. Now I do want to thrift some more pictures to take it up this way and then maybe this way, and then I'll be done with that. But y'all, this right here, let me tell you about this. So I was asking Marcus, I'm like, I need like a African saying for this. And so we was watching a Jill Scott interview, and this is one of her songs. If you haven't listened to the Jill Scott album, please go look at that. Go listen to that, right? So it's pronounced I say. So it's a spiritual meaning behind the word. Listen, y'all, please go check out the Jill Scott album if you haven't already. That song is so powerful, it almost brought me to tears. But pretty much it means like a spiritual life force, the power to make things happen, or so be it, so be it, so be it. I love that it's an African, centric word here. And me and Max, we were painting one day, and I took a frame, took some newspapers, and I just started drawing it. And then you can see the little sprinkles. I let him sprinkle it, and then I put it in the frame, y'all. And then this is what we have here so far. So we'll have to stay tuned, because again, I don't expect to thrift a lot of these things on the first time that I go to the thrift store. This is gonna take time, but I wanted to show y'all how the wall is coming about. And then for my idea for this wall, but y'all let me know. I'm gonna insert a picture. I'm thinking about doing a column on this side and this side, doing like a panel collar. I'm not sure if I want the whole thing to be a collar, because I like to change things around, so I'm not sure if I just want to do one, because again, y'all, we're getting a bigger TV eventually, and I just kind of want to do one column to see how that looks. I'm replacing this tree right here, so don't mind that tree, y'all. Don't mind that tree. And then I'm gonna get some more plants, because this is gonna be my plant area here, where y'all can see already my baby is doing really great here. It's so tall, and yeah, that's what I have so far. So y'all let me know in the comment section, what do you think about the panels, or what can I do in this area before we get our TV, a bigger TV. Now I do want to let y'all know I did thrift this giraffe, y'all. I showed this on the channel like a couple of videos back where I thrifted this. It was $8.99. Y'all, I love it. It is just like a statement piece here. And then this book, I've been had this book. These are like African books, and this is my friend's book. That's him on the cover. So I just have my books like right here. I might move them around, but I'm loving that. And then also I have this. I have to replace it with some eucalyptus. I normally put it right there. And then y'all, I was thinking about getting that planter from Home Goods. I'll insert it, because I want to put it like maybe around here, because it's so like African chic. I love it. So, or maybe I could put it right here. I still have to put some plants here. Y'all gotta let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Comment right now. Let me know. Now I have to buy like a big basket so Max can put his toys in this little corner here. But for now, I just have that African plant stand that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna get another plant. So yeah, this is the update of the living room.
If I'm giving you the cold shoulder, that's closure. Needed someone to hold. But we both had our own motives. Never told him that mine was to stay alone. And you don't belong to me, so you don't have to let me go. Doesn't always have to be something more. I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. I'm no good if I stay. being honest, I don't know what I want. And you don't belong to me. You were never mine before, so it doesn't need to be